Hey guys and gals, I was at my local Walmart. Decided to try my luck on the Prizm again. You get a chance of either a signature, where is it, autograph, or a mem card. All I've ever seen was memorable cards. This is, I think, my third one. Haven't got anybody from the Cowboys yet of note. So, with them still being in the playoffs, thought I'd give it a shot. Yeah, we'll get lucky and get something. The boxes are what, $19.99. So let's see what we got here. My like I said, this came from Walmart. My Target does not have any of the pink ones. So these, of course, are made strictly for this. There's no UPC code. So let's see what we got right off the bat. We got a filler, which is kind of funny considering it's a sealed box that isn't made to be sold. Well, it's not a filler. It's one of those 15 off. Devontae Parker, Gerson, and Cardell Jones, rookie. And then Artie Burns. Okay. Lamar Miller, Joe Flacco, Will Snead, and Amir Abdullah. Phillip Rivers, Jordy Nelson, and Jay Cutler. Yeah, put him on top. And Neil rookie. Oh, here's going to be, unfortunately, a patch card, because it feels very thick. So let's see. Yep, unless it's a giant fat filler. Allen Robinson, Cam Newton, Peyton Manning, and DeAndre Washington. Pretty cool. Shine, I don't know. I have to look, because the other one I got, I can't remember if it was that shine or not. And it does say Prizm. That doesn't mean anything, but it might be a special one. I'll have to take a look. Still. Okay. 2 packs to go. And still, like I said, this is my, I believe, third box. Still no Zach or Dax or Elliott. Nothing. Nada. Nilch. Come on. How about a bear? Eddie Royal. There we go. Not the bear I was looking for, but Dwayne Allen, and then Adrian Peterson. I'll be nice. This card will have a good home. Tommy Golf! Does look pretty shiny. Must be a regular card in the set. Not sure. But there we go. Put that there. And then a Travis Benjamin. Last pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Drum roll, please. Darren Sproles, Tyler Lockett, a Packer, Richard Rodgers, and boom, a fizzle. Dwayne Washington, rookie. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later.